Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so today is Sophisticated Saturdays and I am so excited. So this is being hosted by the ladies of Elegance, and that's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's me, and my name is Anna. And then we have Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and we're called the Ladies of Elegance. I am so excited to announce today our guest host, and this is Creations by Simone. Guys, if you haven't been over there, she is an event planner. I want to say a wedding planner, and she is awesome. She teaches you how to do things at a very inexpensive price when you're holding such a big event that can cost so much money. She is so talented. Head on over there, subscribe to her channel, show her some love. And like I said, she's just such a beautiful person. She's amazing. Now I'm going to be linking the host, which is the Ladies of Elegance, and our guest host, Creations by Simone, down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody decided to create on Sophisticated Saturdays. So now the theme for this tablescape is falling in love with fall apples. So let's see what we can create with these apples. Okay, so let's head on over to the tablescape. So we're going to keep using this enclosed porch so long as it's still not that cold, guys. All right, so I am starting out there with those beautiful florals that I placed in that water pitcher, and it's huge. I got that at the Salvation Army. What a great buy that was. Then I decided to drape around that a garland of leaves, and I got that at the Dollar Tree. So in the back over there where the water jug is a small little ginger jar that I got at the Salvation Army, and it's a clear one. It is so beautiful, so I decided to place that toward the back. Now the tablecloth was also a thrifted item, and the placemats in that gold color, I purchased that at one of the nearby stores by my home. I'm not really sure the name of it. I've never been in that store. Now the chargers, I did get those from Hobby Lobby, and the sunflower plates, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you guys are not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Make sure and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Simone, I have to tell you, I went out looking for these apples. No matter where I went looking for apples, couldn't find the fake apples, couldn't find any kind of decorative apples, nothing had an apple. If I weren't gonna need the apples, I would find them all over the place. But here we are. I got a nice bowl of fresh apples. So I was very happy to decorate with them, just having some fun. Dollar Tree is carrying some faux leather leaves. Oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. And I decided to go ahead and stick them in between the apples in that bowl and even along the table. This is absolutely gorgeous. So now let's move over to the utensils. The utensils I have in a sleeve that I created myself, and that came out really beautiful, guys. And then we move on over to the cloth napkins, and that was a thrifted item. I wrapped that in what I'm calling a napkin dress, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. Now the drinkware, the martini glasses, I purchased that at Home Goods. And then the drinking water glasses were a Goodwill item. Okay, so we're lighting the candles. Everything looks so warm and beautiful, and it's a beautiful evening out. So let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to thank the co-host, Creations by Simone, for hosting this collaboration with us. We are so happy. It was just a pleasure having you. It was an honor to have you. Truly, it was. So, thank you so much. And I also want to thank Amethyst for hosting this collaboration with me. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.